Hello and welcome. Once upon a time I took this diff carrier off an Evo 1 to do this. That left the rusty brake valve, which turned into quite a problem. I got the bolts out eventually and also removed the brake pipes, but the bleed screw sheared off. I drilled it out and my friend Peter tapped the casing to a slightly larger bleed screw size. This is the valve taken apart, and they are all the bits that are inside it. But that doesn't mean that I understood how it worked. As far as I could tell, this is the only actual movement that the valve does. There's a good YouTube video on how to clean these valves, which I did follow. I did the operation. And the video explains new seals are not available for this valve. The lower seal is very thin, so I stretched a small new O-ring to fit. Now that won't stand up. Now I think I missed an O-ring out of the centre. I think there should be an O-ring in that centre shaft right there. The O-ring has to pass over two circlip channels. Now this seemed to shave off the outside of the O-ring. I wasn't happy about this, but I did persevere, fishing out the little O-ring shavings. I don't know why the valve actually needs two lower circlips, but I did fit them both. I fitted them both anyway. Next is the small operating rod with the cup on the end, and this is a tight fit into the plunger. That end cup isn't strong, so I was quite gentle. Now, I wasn't very confident about this repair. There were too many uncertainties, and I fitted the unit and I bled the brakes, and it turned out to be correct. The brake fluid leaked. A replacement compensator valve unit is £250 or so. Well, my great benefactor Jim at Lancia Integrale had an option. Fiat pickup compensating valves. I bought two. Tank also sells these units, and he kindly supplied me with a diagram of how to fit it. You'll need to get on eBay for some reducing sleeves for the pipe fittings, but it mounts in the same position. That's the new valve fitted with new brake pipes also, and it all works well. Well, a lesson learned, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.